Welcome to our channel. If you're a student looking to open your first bank account, follow this simple guide to access banking services designed for your needs. Step 1. Research banks that offer student checking or savings accounts with benefits like no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and free ATM access. Step 2. Verify your eligibility by confirming you meet age requirements, typically 16-25 years old, and are enrolled in an eligible educational institution. Step 3. Visit the bank's website or local branch with required documents including a valid student ID, government-issued photo ID, and proof of enrollment. Step 4. Fill out the account application form with your personal information, school name, expected graduation date, and contact details. Step 5. Provide a Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number for tax reporting purposes and identity verification. Step 6. Choose account features such as online banking access, mobile app, debit card design, and whether you want overdraft protection. Step 7. Make your initial deposit if required. Many student accounts have low or no minimum opening deposit requirements. Step 8. Activate your account and set up online banking credentials. You'll typically receive your debit card within 7 to 10 business days by mail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.